We're gonna do the cup song.
Where's my other cup?
I don't know, you threw it at the camera.
The dog? Yes, I'm using 2 cups.
Go choose that badass. I got my ticket for the lonely round. 2 bottles whiskey for the way. And I sure would like yours to company. But I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? When I'm gone, when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hand. You're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
Yeah. Oh shit.
She did it again. Alright. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this video. And tell us what you think in the comments below. Nikki says bye. Wherever she is. So goodbye.